doing?
Fine.
I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah.
That's the important part.
That's
Bikes can be
fine.
fixed, especially when it's a mirror and a fucking ship level.
He's gonna kill me.
How fucked up is the body?
It's not bad. It's scratched, you know, on the fucking...
Time for another sticker?
Yep. It's probably time for another sticker. That's probably a true statement.
I mean, honestly,
I mean, it's just a bike,
it happens.
you know?
And you've been riding that thing a lot, and what have you done? You dropped it twice at low speed.
Right. I mean, honestly...
That's pretty damn good, I think.
I just feel bad because he's just like, you did what?
Hey, it's Bunny, where every ride is an adventure and every repair is an accidental upgrade. As you can tell from my little intro, my first bike ride of the year did not go exactly as planned, and I had to switch bikes due to a little, let's call it mishap. Yeah, let's go with that. Every time you drop your bike, somewhere in the world, a kickstand laughs at you. But it was nothing that can't be fixed with the help of our local friends, European Cycle Sports, and maybe a sticker or two. Speaking of European Cycle Sport, we have some very exciting news to share in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Unfortunately, the weather has also not been very cooperative, and we had to cancel our New Year's ride. So here are some snippets of our latest ride to start the year out right. You know it's going to be cold when the weather app just laughs at you instead of showing you temperatures. Enjoy some signature Moto Guzzi sound with some shenanigans and a wheelie or two. So remember, balancing on two wheels is like doing yoga at 60 miles per hour, except the downward dog is not a pose you want to attempt. Until next time, keep it on two, don't resist the twist, stay safe, and we will see you soon. Bye!